Hello friends, welcome back to JavaScript tutorial. Last day we discussed about the data types. So what are the 7 types of data types in JavaScript, and in this video we are going to show you something new, means how to create a sentence with variable. Means I want to make a dynamic sentence using the variable, and we will learn about the template literal concept using the JavaScript. Okay, so now suppose if I just going to use suppose a var num1 equal to something, suppose 10, and var num2 equal to suppose 20. Okay, now I just going to add some things, or I just going to display both things. How we can write this? So simply write document dot write and simply write num1 plus num2, and if you just refresh here you can understand this is the 30. So these are actually number type of data. That's the reason we are getting this output. Now if I just write suppose here John, and here write Mark, then what happened? Then if you just refresh this you will get John Mark. Still it's concatenating, as this is the string type of value. Now if I just going to write this type of things, means suppose write John and John and Max are good friends. Okay, so I can write these things, but if I just going to print this as a dynamic, means I will use the num1 here and num2 here, then how can do this? So simply I just changing name1 and name2, so that will be the proper naming. Okay, name1 and name2. So how we can print this? So inside a string if you want to push any variables, simply you can write in this way, like name1 plus, this is the concatenation operator, then you need some space between John and the end, so simply write the space and Mark. So inside a Mark just write the name2. Okay, so this make dynamic. John and Mark are good friends. In this way we can concatenate any variable into the sentence. Okay, but there is something, means if I just write in this way, means some variables and plus, then something the inverted comma, singular double, or then again the variable plus. So sometimes it's not looking so good and not more useful, and this time actually we will get the template literal concept. Means you can do the same things with the template littering. Means just go here and simply write document dot write, and I will print all the same things. Means just closing this, and here I just going to print that things. John and Mark are good friends, but using the template littering concept. Okay, so if you just going to print that things, and if you just use double inverted comma, it's printing. If you just using single inverted comma, it's also printing. So I already discussed about that things. To print any string type of data, you can use double inverted comma or single inverted comma. But there is another type of things. If you want to print some sentence or strings, you can use that. That is backtick. Okay, so if you are using backtick, then also you will get the same output, right? So using the backtick we can print that things, and this is the template littering concept. And here, to replace any value or replace any variable, we don't need to write these things, or we don't need to use the plus. Instead of that things, whenever we will get a variable, just put a dollar and curly braces, again dollar and curly braces. Okay, so inside here what you want you can place. So simply write name1 and name2. Okay, so very simple, you will get the same output. Okay, means that's great thing. This is the template little concept. So this was the short video, but very useful things we understand in this video. So actually this thing will need when you create any application or if you want to print a dynamic sentence. So if you have any queries about this video, please comment in below comment section, and next we are going to discuss about JavaScript operator. So we'll learn what are the operators, how to use operator, what is the purpose of operator, and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.